boy, look at that big old box. That's what that is. It's a box. Hold on. It's a box. I told you. It's Josh here with DepriveD Productions. And we got a 29th modeling tutorial in Blender. We're going to talk about the knife. We're going to get the knife. It's going to cut you. No, but seriously, we're going to talk about the knife. It's actually a pretty sweet tool. You can slice up your mesh. You know what I'm saying? I'm shift squiggly, and if you don't know that already, shift squiggly, and you can fly around with the WASD keys. Very, very useful. And use your mouse. Kind of like when you're flying around in Minecraft. Now check it out. I got my cube here. You can press tab, right? If you go to tab, you're in edit mode. You press 1, 2, 3 to switch between your dots, lines, and faces. I probably say this every video, but you know, whatever. We got all these different tools here, okay? And this top one's always selected. You got your cursor and stuff like this. Is to select. If I press 3, go to faces, you know, the select tool, we'll call it that, whatever it says there. We're going to scroll down here to this knife tool right here, okay? You see this little knife tool, okay? You got a couple options. I'm going to click on it right now, and I'm going to show you the first thing. We're going to do shift squiggly. I'm going to shift squiggly over here, get a little setup. Okay, up, go back. There we go. Get set up. Okay, now the thing is, with the knife selected, I'm going to click right here. Okay, you're gonna see a little line come from the little dot here. I'm gonna click again. Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna cut a little pentagon kind of thing in the side of our box. I'm not very good at drawing. Now, when I go to connect it, you're gonna notice that it gets kind of, wait for it. Oh, boom, it'll connect on its own. But you want it to stop, you gotta press the space bar. Boom, press space bar, and now you can go back here, right? And you can make sure 3 selector, make sure face selector, and you can click on your face. And now you got a little extra face because you carved it in there, boy. You can extrude. I'm gonna extrude it out. Let's do that again. But I'm going to show you a different way to do it. Instead of clicking on the knife, because you have to click the knife, do your thing, and then click back here, what you can do is a one-time knife slit. You know, just cut a little slit, a little slice, press K. Boom. Press the K button. I'm going to make a little triangle like this. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it connects. Boom. Oh, I felt good about that. Press space. It's done, and I'm already back to the thing. Boom, and I'm going to drag that baby in like that. I got a little triangular. You know, okay, anyway, so let's just keep going here. Look, we got all kind of stuff to do. Now, you could get a little more complicated with that. You know what I'm saying? You could do a lot of stuff here. You could draw around like on a corner. But there's a couple different things you could do when it comes to the knife. You don't actually just have to cut pieces like that. Because honestly, I could, click the knife again and just make a little square right here. And then you could do this. Press space bar, go back to your thing, click here, and you can press X and delete that face, right? And boom, you got a little hole. You got a little hole in there, but the point is, we got other things to do. Check it out. Go back to the knife right here, okay? Click on the knife. Now, if you hold the click down, we're set to the knife little preset, like the tool option here. Well, you can go to shut up, Karen. You go to the bisect tool, you know what I mean? Go to the bisect, and it's going to do a couple things differently. I want to talk to you about that one because it's pretty sweet, especially if you want to slice up a mesh, like mess up the corners and stuff like that. So let's go to a corner, right? You got a little corner right here, right? And you want to make sure what happens now is you slice like this one time, you slice like this, and it makes a little thing right here. You're like, what's going on? Well, you'll see a little line here. Don't do it like this. Control Z that. Press A. And make sure, press A however many times you have to make sure everything is selected. And what I'm gonna do is, that way, you decide which face you're cutting. I'm gonna cut all of them. If you only wanna cut one, that's fine. Let me explain why. I'm gonna put a little slice right there, boom. You can see that there's a slice. Now, if I press I can change where that slice is by moving this little ball around, but I'm gonna go to this thing right here and it has everything I need right here. I can change the parameters or where this line is and move it around. But you can decide which one of this is left over, like that. You can cut out the in or the out and then fill it. And then boom, and then I'm done. You know what I'm saying? Then I can go back, get out of it, and I got a little. I cut a little slice. I cut a little slither. It's a little slither out of it. I'm gonna do it over here again, right? I'm gonna press A, press A. Make sure you have everything selected. Come over here like that. Boom. Cut this slice in. Let's do that one and fill it, and boom. There we go again. Oh no, it didn't work the way I wanted it to because I cut into my hole, bro. Let's do it again. Let's do it right here. Okay, don't cut into your hole. Let's do that right there. Don't be cutting your hole, bro. Wait. It's that one and that one. Fill it. See, if we look at it now, it's not filled, but now if I do it, boom. Now, if I cut into that hole, it made a mess of things because that's already a hole. You understand what's going on there. But the point is now you can see that I have two different main options with the knife tool. One, I can hold over the knife, click on knife itself. I'll go over here and draw something. Draw a little monkey. You know what I'm saying? Draw a grass. Draw a little grass right here and then connect them. Boom. Press the space bar. Go back here and then just pull that bad baby out. You know what I'm saying? And size it up or down because that is sweet what I made. Because I love that. It's Mario. Right? It's not. But the point is, after that, I can go back to my knife here. Go to my knife. Hold on it. Go down to that. You see, get this piece right here that I got. And I'm like, I don't like that. Press A. Select all that and cut this slither out. Right. Make sure I have it set like this and fill, and boom, now I cut a little piece out of it, and now I got this, look at my box, bro. I've done messed it all kind of up. The point is, you can really get a little dirtier with it, dude. You could literally just, now the thing is, just so you understand, you could click on just one face, and now if I go to slice, it's only going to slice that face. Do you see what happened there? And then I can literally just leave it there, and then it just sliced that face, and now I just have a slice. And now I could go over here and take this slice and move it over here. You know what I'm saying? So if you just want to put little slices in one face, like this triangle, right? I'm gonna click on the triangle, make sure I slice all the way across. Oh, no, wait. Make sure you have the knife selected. I apologize. Make sure you have the knife. Oh, no. Bisect. Make sure that the bisect. Now, when I slice this, you'll notice that it only cut that one face, and we're done. And I can go back here, and I can grab this, and I can take him in a little more. I'm taking further in. I take a little deep, but you just keep on going. Okay, you just keep on going. You guys are gross. Now, besides that, that's pretty much it for the knife tool when it comes to just the basics of it. You know what I'm saying? Definitely toy with this. I mean, I literally just took a knife and chopped some stuff up, little slithers, little slits, all kind of slits in my box. You know what I'm saying? Because why not? You know what I mean? Anyway, 29th modeling tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. 3,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. I love hanging out with you guys. We've decided we have started the first DepriveD, capital D at the beginning, capital D at the end, album. So we're going to pump out about one video a week because we're going to be putting all of our time getting this album finished, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. We have 3 EPs out if you want to ever support us, but now we're about to do our first full album. It's amazing. I'm super excited. Please subscribe to YouTube channels. Hit us up. All the links are in the description of the video for our Facebook, itch.io, whatever you want to follow us on, SoundCloud if you want some free music. But guys, love you, miss you. Fun. That's all I got to say is fun. Keep on creating, keep on laughing, keep on having fun. And like I said, we're working on this album. It's going to be a lot of fun, but I hope you guys learned a little something. If you have any questions, hit me up on the Facebook page. And like I said, I'll post about a video every week. Sometimes I'll get 2 out, you know what I'm saying? 2, but typically it'll be 1. But guys, thanks for the sub count. So cool. Thanks for the follows. Love you, miss ya. Peace.